Hey loves, happy new year. This is like my first video of the year. Thank you so much for last year. Thank you so much for supporting. I love you guys so much. Like, I love you like 1,000,001 times. My name is Mossbeau. If you just stumbled on this channel, and this is a growing channel, so please be sure to subscribe, be sure to support me, and okay. So this video is in collaboration with a friend. Her name is Temmiy. Like, we really just met, but like, she's my friend already. And we just thought to do a back to school makeup video, which was a challenge for me because like all my life I really never thought about back to school. Like, just so moving to America is like a new vibe of all these back to school this, back to school that, which, well, personally I haven't done such, and it's like a privilege, and I just accepted the challenge, and here we are. This is what we were able to create. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any updates from me. So I'm gonna link Temmiy's video in the description box below. Please be sure to support her, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to please check it out. So if you want to see how we did this, do you like my hair? I was just very tired of weaves and all of that. So if you want to see how we did this, just stay tuned. I'm gonna see you. If I'll be going to school and if I had to do anything in my makeup, it has to be my brows. Like, if every other thing doesn't even come to place, my brows has to stand out. So I'm going to be rushing to do my brows, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in Chocolate. And I'm going to be using the Milani Prime Shield Pore Mattifier. And for my foundation, I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D foundation. I kind of feel this foundation is dark, so I'm just going to be going in with my Black Up foundation. Now I'm going to be using a concealer just because I want to cover my bags. Now that I have that, I'm going to set my overall face with my Black Cup powder. And I'll just slightly bronze my face. And I'm using this Tarte Party blush. I'm just going to add a little eyeshadow to my eyes. I'll then go in with my mascara. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to darken my under eye. And I'm just going to be setting my face and go onto my lips. I'm going to be using the Morphe setting spray as usual. So once that has dried up, I'm just going to be going in with my pencil. You can use basically any brown pencil. And I'm just going to be using my concealer as my lipstick. And I'm just going to be going in with my lip gloss. And that's the end of this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's such a fresh, fun look. Like, we're going back to school. What do you mean? Oh my god. So don't forget to follow Temmiy S on her YouTube channel. She's also on Instagram, which is Temmiy S, by the way. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below. Please be sure to follow her. Please be sure to subscribe to her channel. Please be sure to also support her in every way that she can.